Hello teacher and hello everyone. My name is Lee Kim Hye. I'm reading about my father. My father's name is Michael Lee. He is 42 years old. He is a driver. He lives in Presopol village. He likes my food and he likes black. His favorite sport is football and his favorite animal is dog. He is tall and handsome. My father is very nice and kind person. I love him so much. Thank you teacher and thank you everyone for listening to me.